In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse the order of rows in Google Sheets. Reversing rows might sound tricky, but the cleanest way to do it is to give your spreadsheet a simple map it can follow. Think of this as a temporary guide that remembers exactly where every row started, so anything you do to flip the order stays accurate and tidy. Start by creating a temporary column next to your data. If your sheet has headers, keep those as they are and place this new column right alongside your first column of data. Give it a clear label so you remember what it's for, something like order or map. In the first data row of that helper column, type 1, and in the next row, type 2. Then select both cells and drag the small square in the corner downward to autofill the rest. This numbers all your rows from top to bottom in sequence. If you prefer formulas, you can use a sequence formula to fill those numbers automatically. Either approach is fine. The key is that every row receives a unique number that reflects the original order. This numbering is your safety net. It ties each row to its original position, so when you perform your reversal, every cell in a row moves together without splitting, and you can always trace back where things began. It also helps protect against common headaches like misaligned data, especially in larger tables or sheets with formulas and formatting. Once your helper column is in place and your data has been reversed, you're done with the map. You can remove it so your sheet looks clean and professional. To do that, right-click the header letter of the helper column and choose to delete the column. Don't worry. Deleting the helper column won't affect your actual data because it was only there to guide the process and is no longer needed. If you ever want to confirm the results before deleting, take a quick look to ensure the first row is now the one that used to be last and that everything lines up as expected. If anything seems off, you can always use undo to step back. A couple of quick pointers to make this smooth. Keep your header out of the numbering so labels don't get mixed into the sequence, and consider working on a copy of your sheet if you're handling critical information. Labeling the helper column clearly makes it easier to spot and remove later. That's it. Create a simple numbered map to remember your original order, complete your reversal, and then remove the helper column for a clean, finished result.